How to make money with Chatgpt simply by asking it to write you a YouTube script. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So Chatgpt, if you don't know, is a powerful AI that can do literally anything in its language powers to help you out. So it's really easy, guys. Go into Chatgpt, put your email in and simply ask it a question. So let's just ask it to write us a YouTube script. Yes, you can try and give it to someone and get them to make a video, or you can just follow the steps of this how-to channel and post it to the right people, having affiliate links and making some money. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So write a YouTube script for how to upholster furniture. Now, how long would it take someone to write this out? First of all, you need the skill set. Second of all, you need to know how to write. Third of all, you need to know how to write a script, okay? Now, this does it in less than 30 seconds. What we'll do is copy that, go over to InVideo, really easy. And in video, you can actually post scripts and they will make promotional videos for you. So you post it in here, it will make the video for you, and it's super, super easy and user-friendly. Once you've done that, you want to go over to ClickBank. On ClickBank, you can get your own affiliate link and sell anything. You could promote anything you want. So find the niche, write it in AI, take it over to InVideo, get the video, go back over to ClickBank and put it on your affiliate link. And guess what? People are now paying for a video that you've made off your own back. Like and follow for more how-to videos.